Ever wonder why some people snore like a lawnmower? As we age, throat muscles weaken and the airway narrows. Extra weight, congestion, alcohol, or certain medications can make it worse. Sleeping on your back? That can make it louder too. To snore less, sleep on your side, maintain a healthy weight, avoid alcohol before bed, clear your nasal passages, and try simple throat exercises. If your snoring is loud, frequent, or comes with pauses or gasping, see a doctor. It could be sleep apnea. This is for educational purposes only, not a substitute for professional medical advice. Like and subscribe for more fresh health facts.